Hi everyone, I'm Martin from Property Partners, and today we have a very nice 3-bedder unit to show you in the west. Lakefront residence, and this unit is 1,216 square feet. As we enter the house, you can see that there's a very big open space and an open concept kitchen. But of course, you can choose to build it up into an enclosed kitchen, and very nice cabinetry has been done up. Behind the kitchen, you have a very well spaced service yard with extra storage space over here, and also a WC behind, and you get a very nice view of the lake itself. As you enter the living room, you can see that it is very well spaced and it has a squarish layout. The wall-to-wall distance is also very perfect for 85-inch TV. But as you can see, the owner currently is using a projector for their family entertainment needs. There are two common rooms in this unit, and one of them the owners have actually converted into their kids' room. As you can see, there's a lot of storage space. The other room is being used as their work-from-home office, and it's also very sizable as well. As we enter the master bedroom, you can notice that there are a lot of wardrobe space. So on top of what the developer has given, the owners has also built up extra wardrobe space. The owner has also done up the platform bed, and you can see the whole room is very well lit with no direct west sun. The balcony area is also very sizable and very airy. You can see if you want to put a dining table out here, it is also possible to have some alfresco dining, or if you want to hang your laundry or what, you have definitely enough space in this very spacious balcony. Okay, so Lakefront Residence is a condo project POP in 2014 with 624 units. It is just right at the doorstep of Lakeside MRT, 2 minutes walk and you're there. And there's 4 primary schools within 1 kilometers of this development, with RULANG Primary, one of the top primary school in Singapore, within 1 km as well. Lakefront Residences is also only 1 MRT stop from Jurong Point, where you'll get all your amenities, and also there is a food centre just nearby for all your food needs, and lots of amenities nearby in Jurong. Want to see this unit for yourself? Once again, I'm Martin from Property Partners, and you can arrange an exclusive viewing with us, and I'll see you here.